Hello and welcome. In this video, you'll get familiar with the reflection removal function of ARH ID readers. The goal of this feature is to make OCR processing possible by eliminating glare on the scanned image of the ID or passport. Reflection removal improves image quality. Furthermore, a glare-free image is crucial for reliable authentication results. Now, you'll see how to use it in Full Page Reader. Please note that you can set reflection removal via API as well. In Full Page Reader, under the Options tab, open Capture Vertical tab. You can enable or disable reflection removal here for the images made in white and infrared illumination. Let's switch off reflection removal and make a scan. Double-click on the thumbnail on the top to view the images. I now saved the images so later we can compare the results. Let's switch reflection removal on and scan the passport again. I save these images as well. As you can see on the right, reflection removal produces a glare-free image that is easier to read than the other ones. Thanks for watching. For more videos, check our channel and don't forget to subscribe.